Well, good evening to you and welcome on this most perfect evening for a game of football to which we look forward immensely. It's hardly a surprise that everybody has come here in their droves, this being a fixture that has received so much coverage in the days leading up to it. And it's good to see that we have a good contingent of visiting fans by the look of it too. The atmosphere is amicable, the conditions do bring out the best in everyone, and I think we're all looking forward to a feel-good game. This place is living up to its reputation as one of the noisiest corners of the footballing world. No decibels spared in this collective chorus. This is the perfect game for all parties, not least the neutrals who've just come to enjoy it.
Well, with nothing resting on this, Peter, I'm hoping that there'll be more impetus for the players to just enjoy the game with the pressure off, try out a few different things, and we get something open and free-flowing.
See making the difference here?
Yeah, Mohamed Salah, and it's mainly because of his frightening pace. He's a huge threat when he's running at defenders.
It's Salah! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Mohamed Salah actually didn't do an awful lot wrong, to be honest.
Saint-Germain can counter promptly here. Marquinhos. Hakimi. He's got a hit! Oh, that is rather wayward.
Well, he did get himself into a good position, something for him to cling to.
Konate. Szoboszlai. Gravenberg to McAllister, gently done. Clear away. And it's been taken short. And that has been cleared. And now they can spring out of defence. For a throw-in. Intercepts the throw, that's well read. He's going to be disappointed with that.
Yeah, Peter, just have a look at this and see how the strikers are drifting into wide positions now.
And that's tactical, is it? It's not been forced on them.
No, it's all related to the hope of creating space for midfield runners.
Looking for options, for movement. Keeper's got good distance on that. Well played, that has snuffed out the danger. And he's running through. Gravenberg. Diaz. Robertson. Now who's going to be first to this? Robertson. Shot could be... Has a goal! That's caused the worry or two. Vitinha. Strong running down that left flank. No goals as yet. Donnarumma. And Mendes. And it's Marquinhos. Now Fabian Ruiz. Mendes. And it's Marquinhos. Hakimi. And it's Marquinhos. Now Fabian Ruiz. Vitinha. Kvaratskhelia. Danger averted for now. In possession and ready to go again. Forward tracking back like that, always appreciated by the crowd.
He's dealt with that very well, Peter. It's a real show of discipline.
Played out to the left flank. Plays it in low. Donnarumma claims it. Hakimi going full tilt down the right-hand side. He's found the way. Decent hit! It's off target and by quite a way.
Paris Saint-Germain were again presented with an opportunity to break and look very, very threatening.
And he cuts out the supply. Hakimi. Here's Vitinha. Alexander-Arnold, nice sequence of passes this. Robertson, he's shifting through the gears here. Diaz clears it away. And the first half is done. Well, there it is, half-time. Not a bad watch by any means. And the efforts of both sides have been good, but neither have been able to penetrate. And so we reach the break, and the game remains goals. Closing half, but we're still where we started, 0-0. Here we go again. No score in the first half. Who's ready to go for it now? Over to the left. And that's a throw. Pressing's intense, and it's paid off. Hakimi making good progress on the right-hand side. Fabian Ruiz. Nuno Mendes. Gets his pass away. And the defence can get it clear. Szoboszlai. Here's Diogo Jota. Well, that tackle was certainly sturdy. Could move up a gear here. He is through here. Robertson. Now, what about a counter-attack? Done delicately. Spread neatly. Well, that's well spotted. And we're not going to make any further progress now. Fabian Ruiz. Great defending, strong and determined. And the counter is on. Out towards the flank. Massive lead! Tries to get it clear. So what can they make of this? Konate. Diaz. Excellent. Looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. Diaz, and the shot! Oh, that was a brilliant save.
Diaz really must be thinking what he has to do to score there.
Hakimi. That is a great ball. Defending of the desperate variety. Jota. Well, he's felt that, hasn't he? The referee's awarded a free kick. He was going into that little black book. There's going to be another change here. Dembele wins the duel this time. Hakimi. He's tried one! Enough try.
Well, he doesn't need a second invitation, even from that range.
No question, that's a foul. And he has shown him a yellow card. Jota! Jota! Oh, the ball's run loose here. He's had it taken off him. Fanurex. That's a good run down the left. Fanurex.
Well, they deserve an awful lot of credit for their commitment to the cause, but it's a goal credit that would be most welcome now.
There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change.
Well, his stamina was called into question then, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with his heart and the efforts he put in. He was very willing, though, not quite able. Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yet yield a winner.
Do have a chance to counter here.
Don't you just love the level of intensity here? Neither is prepared to back down, and to be honest, that's how it should be.
Now it's Diaz. Whistle's gone, that's a foul. Jota. Look at the space here.
Don't you just love the level of intensity here? Neither is prepared to back down, and to be honest, that's how it should be.
Looking for the runner. Well, played right into his path.
You wonder if that's it now, but there may be one more opportunity, Peter, for a late steal here.
Nice bit of trickery. Oh, just skips past his man.
Well, both sides might have to settle for a draw here, although there's still a chance for one last fling.
Diaz. Into a through. He's played him through. And a foul? Yes, the referee's given it. McAllister. Now it's Darwin. He's got away. Great chance! He's missed, but not by that far. And there goes the final whistle.